Hi guys, Scrapping in My Sleep back with you. I was filming away and I realized that my camera was not recording. So I have started my second set of glue. I've already done 3. I'm sorry that I did not get those on camera. My impressions of the Beacon 3-in-1. It was very incredibly stringy, like hot glue. I think you can see that there. Every dot I put down left a trail of glue string. Here's some more here. And unlike hot glue, it does not, well, I guess it does come off a little bit, but who wants to do that, right? I was saying, actually, for the ribbon, this has been the best glue so far. I don't have any show through at all with this glue. But other than that, I don't love it. I would use it for ribbon, but the smell is incredibly strong. And so, yeah. So that's my take on the Beacon glue. Excuse me. The next one I did was the Close to My Heart liquid glass, and I actually really liked this one. It was similar to the Moxie that I really liked from the last video. Good control with the nozzle. It laid a nice thin strip for the ribbon, so I really liked that one. And this one, the best glue ever, was kind of a disappointment. It did fine for the dots. I did not like it for the lines, and it really bleeds through on the ribbon, as you can see there. So it's not a horrible glue, just not going to be one of my favorite glues. Okay, now that we're actually recording, I'm going to go on to the Cosmic Shimmer. We're going to finish these up, and then I'll do my final review. Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue. This has a super tiny, just making sure it's not sealed down there, hole at the top. And I'm just going to do the tippy top first because I don't want to cut off too much. Nope. Okay, there we go. When I got my very first bottle of, oh my goodness, now I can't think of it. Tim Holtz, Glossy Accents. I was so excited when I got my first bottle of it, and I got my lid and I cut it way too long, and so I could never use it for tiny things like what it was, meant for. Anyway, it's already starting to bubble up at the top. No, it's not super runny. Actually, it's pretty nice. It does have a little bit of attachment problems, but it lays a thin line, which is nice. It does have a little, yeah, I don't like that. It doesn't release very well. Interesting. Maybe I need a bigger tip, do you think? Do I need a bigger tip? Is that why it's doing that? And it's a brand new bottle, so okay. It's a brand new bottle, but I think it had something stuck in there because now it's pretty runny. Oops. Okay. Well, that's gonna go there. We're 1 off on the papers. It's just how it's gonna go. Okay, so I don't love this for fine lines because it doesn't really make a line. But we'll see how it does on the ribbon. I love using ribbon across my page, but I don't do it very often because with a roller adhesive, I feel like it just peels off after a while. And I don't like going back and fixing my pages, so I will just not put something on rather than have to fix it later, So, all right, sequin, a button, and a little jimmy. Maybe I could have put those a little further apart. Okay, they're all sticking. It is starting to bleed through a little bit on the ribbon. This is not my favorite. this would not be one I would buy again. I will use it and finish it up, but I would not buy that one again. All right, and then I have some in the pen style. I have 5 of those to try out. Let's move that so you can have a better light. So first we have the original tacky glue, and in the last video I tried the Fast Grab tacky glue, but I wanted it in this pen version specifically to see if I could use it with sequins and ribbon. So let's try it out. Why am I having trouble with them releasing now? Like, can you see this? Like, it doesn't want to release from the pen once I do it, and so it's stringing after I let go. Why am I having that problem? Okay. It either strings when I let go or I press too hard that it leaves a really big line. So this one would be good for buttons and things, but I probably would not use this for ribbon. Yeah, that one's a really wet. Kind of fun to glue things though. Like, there's no stress here. I just put dots and glue. Oh, okay. My sequin did not stick, but this is the first one that has not stuck. Actually, it doesn't want to stick at all. I'm going to try it again and put it on the opposite side. Maybe I just had the concave side. There we go. Okay. So I think that was user error, not pen error. This is not my favorite. I will use this, but I would not buy it again. That's my thought on that one. The next one is this Altenew pen, which is very different. It is incredibly liquidy. It's the Altenew 2-in-1 Precision Pen, permanent and repositionable. So squeeze the barrel lightly to dispense glue. Permanent bond, use when glue is wet. Repositional bond when glue is dry. So, I don't know if this is going to accomplish what I wanted. Oh, well, that's kind of fun. Okay. It's just like a pen that you just draw. You just draw on. So it might be perfect for ribbon. If it holds well. Did I do paper on this one? I don't think I did. Oops. And now you can't see what I'm doing. It's just like drawing on glue. So it's a very fine amount, which is kind of cool. Okay. It's sticking, it's not falling off, so that's positive. Wow. Okay. I'm more impressed with this than I thought I would be. I really did not think I would like this, but I kind of do. We'll see when I lift the page up if they stay on. They are staying on. Okay. I did not think this would be sticky, and I did not think I would like it because it's so liquidy in there. But it actually, it held this with this little bead of glue. It held the paper incredibly well. Like it's the best on the paper of all the ones I've done so far. These are all going up a little bit, but this is dry. It's completely flat. And it's probably because not much comes out. So this one is staying out. It's going to go in one of my favorites. Surprising myself. Wow. Okay. Next. The next two, I have a feeling, are made by the same company because they look exactly the same, just a different label. We have the Gina K Designs Connect Glue and the My Favorite Things On Point Precision Glue. So we're going to try them both. I have a feeling they might be the same, but we'll see. Okay, it comes out very nicely. I like that. And it does not have the release problem. It just comes right, it stops as soon as I let up. Okay, I like that. And I can actually get this piece where it's supposed to go. Right there. I did not do a paper for the Aleene's original pen. I'm sure it would be fine, just like the tacky one over there. So I'm not feeling compelled to try to stick one in there. Although it's really not an accurate scientific study, I guess, if I don't do the same thing for all of them. I don't think I mind. Okay. And a ribbon and a twine. Okay, that one is not bad, actually. Not bad at all. I like it. Let's see if this one is exactly the same. This is the MFT. Yep. Exactly the same. Except it's got a few more air bubbles in it. Quite a few air bubbles. But it's the same glue, I'm pretty certain. Let's scoot up Ellen so everyone can see. All right, I really didn't leave myself much room here. Okay. Purple Jemmy. A button. A sequin. And a heart. Wow, I really thought I'd have more things fall off than that. I feel like when I'm scrapbooking, I have things fall off when I pick my page up. But I don't know, this is pretty awesome. So these two, yes, I would use them. I would buy them again. Connect by Gina K, My Favorite Things. I'm pretty certain they're the same company, but I would buy those two again. And the last one from Honeybee Stamps, it's the Creative Precision Tip Glue. So let's give this one a try. Water-based glue, non-toxic, perfect for felt. Let's scoot up a little bit. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. I like the control that I have on the bottle. The glue is not super watery, so it pours out, but it's not super thick that it's getting stuck when I'm pulling it across. It's actually just coming out and laying in a row like I want it to. It's doing what I asked it to. That's amazing. Okay, and I'm out of paper, so let's see here. Here's another little piece. Let's try this real quick. I like this one. This is a nice one. All right, let's put the lid on that one. Let's put on some crepe paper, some ribbon, and some twine, a purple gem. I like that a lot. Okay. There's hardly any glue smudging out underneath that pearl. And if you can see, sorry about that. If you can see, most of these others have glue coming out. This one, not so much. Aleene's. But most of the other ones do. This one's nice in that I could control just the amount I needed for that. So that's cool. All right, a green button, a red leaf, and a pink heart. And no spillage. Okay, my thoughts on this process. I did find some. That makes me happy. That means that this was a success. On this page, I loved the Moxie. I loved this, the way this worked, the way it came out, the way I could control the tip. I also loved the Tonic Craft Tacky Glue and the iCraft Ultra Bond. All three of these I would buy again. So I'll show you the line with those. Here's the Moxie. The ribbon does have a little show through, but I loved how it did with the twine. And I loved how little bit I could get for these dots so that there wasn't a lot of overflow. Here is the row for the iCraft. Same. I would not use this for ribbon because there is a lot of bleed through, but I loved it for the twine. I loved it for the paper and for the little bits. And the same for the Tonic. The Tonic actually did okay with the ribbon. The twine is fantastic. Yeah, so I would buy those three again. On the second experiment, the beacon is a definite no-go for me for little paper crafting things. If I had to lay ribbon, I would reach for beacon because it leaves 0 bleed through, and that is awesome. It's really the best one that I found for the ribbon. But the smell is very strong. If that bothers you, you might want to stay away from that one. I like the liquid glass. It's very similar to the Moxie, the close to my heart. I really liked this one. I also liked these 4 craft pens. Again, these two I think are probably the same glue, but I liked all of these a lot. I like the precision you could get with the pen. It felt good in my hand, and I liked how much control I could get with each one. My biggest surprise is the Aleene's, Altenew 2-in-1 Precision. This was way stickier than I thought it was going to be, and I was able to be incredibly precise when I laid down the twine. I can't believe the twine stuck. Like, it's stuck. I only had a fine line there, and it's on there. I was a little messy with my first, oh, where am I here? I was a little messy with my first dot just because I didn't realize I was putting glue out. But it was writing like a pen, and I'm not sure what I was expecting. It has a ballpoint, but anyway, so those are my impressions of all the glue I've tried. I hope that can help someone out if you're also looking for the best type of wet adhesive, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.